I think it's the national song in Tunisia. It says إذا الشعب يوما أراد الحياة فلا بد أن يستجيب القدر ولا بد لليل أن ينجلي ولا بد للقيد أن ينكسر. Actually, how my case reached to the United Nations, because I was arrested in 2018, and it wasn't the first arrestation because I got arrested many times before, 2 times before. The first one when I was young, very very young, like 13 years old, and I spent 7 hours under investigation and tortured in one of the Moroccan secret jail called Pisisimi El Ayoun. And I was released after one night because I was a minor, and I was the only one who got released that fast after 7 hours. My name is Nazha Elkhalidi. I was born in Laayoune, the capital of Western Sahara, the occupied territories, and I grew up there. And I moved to Spain 2 years ago. So I was facing, regarding the Moroccan Penal Code, I was facing 2 years in the prison for filming 4 minutes. Actually, if you see how Morocco treating the woman, you will find out that they don't care, You can find a woman that's surrounded by 20 policemen that are very strong and beating her up or tortured her in the prisons. So, of course, when I go out to the demonstration, I feel fears because I'm a human being, and normally you have some fears inside you, as you say, I'm not sure, maybe I will die while I'm in demonstration, maybe they will hit me, very dangerous, hit in my head or something, So, but in the meantime, I say that it's something that I have to do,
Mira, wow, escucha.